So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Conservation Geography Week 6 Assignment 6. So the first question is in Köppen classification, which is hot summer temperature. So these are the option H, K, A, B. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first A, hot summer. So the answer of our first question is C, A. Now the second question is in Köppen classification, which is desert precipitation. So WSFS. So let's check the answer of our second question. Question second, W desert. So the answer of our second question is A. Now the third question is India's location is. So these are the option and the answer of our third question is C. Tropical in south, subtropical in north. Now the fourth question is in Köppen classification, which is called arid temperature, HKAB. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. Köppen classification K, cold arid. So the answer of our fourth question is B, K. Now the fifth question is in Köppen classification, which is winter dry precipitation, WSFS. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So W, winter dry. So W. Now the sixth question is in Köppen classification, which is cool summer temperature, CDFT. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. Question six, C, cold summer. So the answer of our sixth question is A, C. Now the seventh question is which of these is the correct sequence of seasons in India? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our seventh question. Question seventh, the hot weather season, the southwest monsoon season, the retreating monsoon season, the cold weather season. So the answer of our seventh question is B. Now the ninth question is in Köppen classification, which is monsoonal precipitation, WSMS. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, Köppen classification M, monsoonal. So the answer is M. Now the ninth question is physiography is the outcome of. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, physiography is the outcome of the structure, process and stage of development. So the answer of our ninth question is D, all of these. Now the 10th question is in Köppen classification, which is equatorial climate, A, B, C, D. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, main climates A, equatorial. So the answer of our 10th question is A. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.